we're going to make a new project using this Arduino Uno microcontroller, and this is sound sensor. Then we're going to control the base LED. So this sound sensor will act as a clamp switch or a switch to turn on and off this LED. So this is the sensor switch, which is has an electric microphone, potentiometer, and op amps. I think it is LM393 comparator, and with this electric microphone with some SMD components. So we can use this as a sensor to turn on and off this LED. So first we're going to upload the code. We have now our Arduino, the sound sensor, and then the LED DIY homemade, all connected to the Arduino microcontroller. Let us use power bank. So we now done with the uploading of code, and we're going to test the circuit. So our supply now is the power bank, because we already done uploading. Our circuit. Okay, we have the figure 1 sound sensor LED control using Arduino Uno microcontroller. We are controlling the output LED, which is the blue, using sound sensor and Arduino Uno microcontroller. So the power use supply is 5 volts from the power bank. We're going to supply that to the Arduino Uno. Okay, and then through USB port. Where is that? This USB port. Then we're using the pins 5 ground to ground 13 of the pins of the Arduino. Okay, that is the pins. And then sound sensor, we are using only the pin digital out, that is digital out DO, connected to the pin number 2 of Arduino. And then the ground to ground positive, that is 5 volts. And to the output, we have this LED module in which we have the resistor connected to the pin number 13, 330 ohms with an LED. This is a homemade LED module, homemade DIY. So we have LED, the output, microcontroller, the controller, and then the sound sensor. What is the use of the sound sensor to the circuit? It is used as input. So whenever, since we have this microphone, once it receives a sound or a clap. Why we use clap? Because this sound sensor, we are using this sound sensor as a clap switch. Clap. And the sound travels to the microphone and then processed through the microcontroller with the use of this logic or these lines. So the purpose of sound sensor is it is act as a switch, clap switch, okay, or a sensor. And then once it receives the clap sound, the Arduino Uno process it using the code, Arduino code. And in the code, pin number 13 is the output. And what's in the code? It serves as switch. What kind of switch? Latch. What is latch? So once the LED turns on, it will turn on indefinitely, and once we clap again, it will turn off. So that is latch switch. It will turn on and off. We clap, then it turns on, and then it is still on until if we clap again, it will turn off. That is latch switch, just like a power switch, just like a power switch or toggle switch. Because of the code, because of the Arduino code that we downloaded or uploaded from Arduino IDE. So the purpose of the sound sensor is as an input or a clap switch processed by the controller, and then due to the code, it becomes a latch switch that can able to turn on and off this blue LED. It is latching. It is not, in electronics we call that bistable type. It latches on, and then once it receive a sound again, it latches off, latches on off, on off once it receive uh, a sound. Okay, clock switch or switch processed by the Arduino, and then due to the code, because of the code, it now will make or turn this LED to turn on and off, or it latch. So we have now this sound sensor LED control. The sound sensor controls the on and off of the LED using this Arduino Uno microcontroller.